Hi, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share another PDF, and as you know, I'm not super techy, so I'm just using my camera and facing it at the computer. So this one's the Homeschooling the Active Girls. So sorry if it shakes a little bit because I'm just holding this. I have no tripod. So it's not just a beautiful cover. I love it. So there's where they put their name. And I can make this a little bit smaller so it's all in one. I'll just go back a little bit. So here's a coloring page. Active Girls Fun Schooling Curriculum Journal. And this is 311 pages. Let me go down one more. Right here, list or draw 9 things that you want to learn about, and then the action steps to get the books, and these are the supplies. And then right here, they're going to choose 9 books to use as school books. Write down the titles on each, and they could draw them as well. It says complete 6 to 8 pages each day in this workbook. And that's if they're only using this workbook. If they're using other books, it could just be 1 or 2 pages a day. What do you want to do today? Choose 10 spelling words. Write each word with your own font. That'll be fun. You could use gel pens, colored pencils. Watch a video, and it's right here, it's about and the title, and draw a scene from the video. And what was your favorite part? And here you have vocabulary building. Color me with colored pencils. Write just 1 big word to describe me. How cute. I guess cute. Well, I don't know if that's not a big word. Hey, maybe you could look in the dictionary for a big word for cute. And then there's, adorable would probably be a big word. Maybe you could look in there and find another one. So write today's date, color the picture, and write a story about it. So even this could take a while. So just, so if they're doing 2 pages, they're writing and coloring and adding and being creative. That's a lot. How are you feeling today? Color the facial expression. This would be fun to have the whole family color one of their mood, and then they could write down who, like let's say mom is feeling like this today. I don't know if you could see my little cursor. And dad is feeling like this today. That would be fun. The look on a person's face can help you understand how they feel. Creative writing. And they could write about this lighthouse or anything, or they could write about anything they want, really. Reading time. Today I will read 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, and then they could draw what they read and write a little bit about what they read. Spelling time. Find 20 words with 4 letters each. Look in your books for words and write the words here. They could even look around the house. They don't have to look in their books all the time. Thinking time. This is from Dyslexia Games. What do you want to do today? Here's some letter doodles. They get out their gel pens and colored pencils and color the background, or just trace these, whatever they want to do. Make a border. Object lesson. Look at this picture. List 4 things about I'm sorry, I can't read today. Look at this picture. List 4 things that you can do with this object. World news today. Talk to your parents about current events. Look at a newspaper, news broadcast, or website. Tell the news stories with words and pictures. Who, what, when, where, why. And make a comic strip about today's news. They could even, just draw what's going on, or copy and paste things. What I mean by copy and paste, I mean cut and paste, get something off the internet and paste it here. So if they don't want to make a comic. Book time. Find an interesting sentence in one of your books and copy it. Title, page number, and then they're gonna do this, copy it there, and they could draw the picture. And that's coloring. Write today's date. They don't have to color, but it's it's nice. They could even get highlighters or use alcohol markers. Those are always fun. So if you're using alcohol markers, though, you don't want to have this page double-sided. Color the picture and write a story about it. And then there's another reading time, spelling time, plan a delicious meal. So look at choose there. How fun. Choose 10 spelling words. Write each word with your own fun font. And then letter doodles. Object lesson. Another, how are you feeling today? Vocabulary. And it goes on like that. Here's the math time page. So get your math book, watch a math tutorial, or log into your online math program. Use this page to practice your math problems. They could even do something like with if they need graph paper. I know my daughter used to use or uses graph paper for sewing. Nature study, they're gonna go outside. They could even draw something from one of their nature books here. Or I always encourage, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize my hand was going down. Sorry about that. I always encourage to draw, but also if they want to paste or use double-sided tape, they could do that. So yeah, that's this one. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.